Hello and welcome to Thabo Tea, the only channel where we sip tea and do not judge. However, on today's segment, I need us to talk. Dr. Nandipha Magudumana recently appeared in court alongside with her lover Thabo. They are well known for many criminal activities that they committed. Let's look at how she looked when she appeared in court. We are talking specifically about Nandipha and her state of well-being. Let's watch the video.
First of all, the matter is then postponed to the 19th of September 2025, again here at the High Court in Bloemfontein at 9:30 in the morning, and that is for a case management hearing. As indicated, the case will proceed or commence at 9:30 in the morning. It will be in this same court again, Court A.
Oh my God, you guys. Can you see how she looks? Akukuhle at all. She doesn't look healthy. She looks like she lost a lot of weight. She looks like she's stressed. Even the makeup is not doing her justice. Whoever said she must put on makeup, put on that lipstick and those lashes, it's not working for her. Even the middle part on her hair shows that she's losing hair. She is not the Nandipha we know, who was beautiful, the one that we admired her beauty. Well, this woman has lost a lot. She has 2.3 million in legal fees. She has lost her motherly instincts. She has lost her doctor's title and degree. Her beauty is lost as well. She has lost her right or the title of being a law-abiding citizen as well. So it only makes sense that she would look this way. Reality for her is kicking in. She is not really healthy. Will she make it to trial on the 19th of September? How will she look then? Let me know what you think of this in the comment section. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.